Hello, I'm here to walk you through how to turn on or off missed calls notifications in Google Meet. Now the first thing you gotta do is install the app. Then you open up the app, which is your Google Workspace or Google Meet. Then the next thing, you're gonna click on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. It opens up three options. You select settings option. Now once you select the settings option, it's gonna open up three options again. So we click on calling settings. This opens up four options. We select notifications. Next, I'm going to open up an app notification settings for us. You can see it. We go down to notification category, which is the last option on the page there. Select it. And now we're going to look for missed calls notifications option there. Because it's giving us three categories, which is the calls, messages, and other category. Under the calls category, we have receive 101, receive good calls, and then we have the missed calls category. Right now it is turned off, which means I won't get notifications even if I have a missed call, if I miss a call. So the best thing to do is to turn it on like this. That's it. Simple. Now, if I really do not care about whether I missed a call or not, I can simply turn it off the same way.